Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree makeup try on get ready with me. So I recently did a haul. I will link it up in an iCard if you haven't seen it. And today I'm trying on all the makeup that I hauled and I'm going to be seeing how it works. Is it worth the dollar? Because our dollars are precious here at the Bondbeautyful corner. So I'm going to be telling you guys what I think, and I'm not going to lie, you guys want to watch this one because this look that I created, freaking bomb, and everything was from the Dollar Tree. Everything except for my blush was from the Dollar Tree. That's freaking amazing, you guys. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. If you're new, hi, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified of all my videos, and you can keep coming back and back and back. And yeah, I'm excited. I hope you are too. Okay. We're getting started. The only thing I have done on my face is my eyebrows. And I'm just gonna spray my face with this Badasco spray because my face is dry. My face is dry, I need something. All right, so here I have every single product in here that we're gonna be looking at and trying out. And I am so excited to do this and not even tell you guys in that haul and it be like a surprise at the end, and we'll see what we can come up with. So first off, we have these like brow tints. I think I'm just going to try the dark brown one for now and kind of run that through my brows. My brows are already done, but we're gonna see what we got here. Gonna kind of like rip these open. The LA Color Brow Tint. Ooh, there's a lot of color to it. Ooh, there is a lot of color to this. A ton. Like I can see the brown. Okay, I can tell this is actually gonna be a good buy. Okay, so let's try the lip oil here because my lips need something. And those lippies that I got are matte. And I'm thinking of using the Smoky palette. If you guys haven't seen that haul, I will link it in an iCard. I probably already did in the beginning, like in the intro of this, but ooh. I like it. It's a nice oil. It's not like too oily, so it's nice so far. I'm kind of liking this. It's only $1. I might pick up some more of these. Okay, what else do we got here? All right, so let's just jump right into the 3 palettes. So I'm gonna mix it up. I have the nudes, the rose, and the smoky, and I think I'm gonna do the smoky palette mixed with the nude palette. Yeah, so the nude palette looks like they're mostly all matte. Looks like this. So let's prime the lids real quick. And let's get into this. And I think I'm gonna start off with this color right here, which is like a bone color, like almost like my skin shade. And I'm gonna put that into the crease. More like the transition. I'm gonna get a little darker with this color right here, and I'm gonna go into that, into the crease slash transition. These are actually really pigmented. I am really liking those. Whoa, those look really nice. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's really soft and easy to blend. Color right here, which is a little bit darker, into a crease brush. I mean, they do have some kick up in the pan, but I'm gonna start putting that into the crease and into the outer V. Whoa. This one's extremely pigmented. It just took my eye look to the next level. level there. I'm gonna go back in with this light shade right here and try to blend out this craziness. Right underneath the brow, I'm gonna go in with this bone color. This is like a true bone color here. Here we go. I'm putting this color from the Smoky palette all over the lid. And then I'm gonna get into this black and get really close to the lashes. Yeah. Wow, these are really good palettes from the Dollar Tree, you guys. I give these like a 5 out of 5 for the price. Now, will they last a long time? I don't know. Okay, I'm getting back into these darker colors here, and I'm gonna try to make it even darker and smokier. There's like this super light color in the Smoky palette. I'm gonna grab that with my finger, pop it in the inner corner, and pop a tiny bit on the center here. I'm kind of liking that. I think it looks really good. I'm gonna put a wing on it. This is the LA Girl Color Correcting Primer, and I got the clear one that's supposed to minimize pores because I don't need the other color correcting ones. Like, I just don't like color correcting primers. So this is what it looks like. Let's apply it and see if it actually does what it's supposed to do. Holy, I got too much and it doesn't look clear to me. It looks white. Okay. Silica Moisturizer. Wow, that surprisingly, even though it's like white, it actually minimized my pores. I'm super impressed, you guys. That did a really good job of minimizing my pores. I have two cream highlighters. I think I'm gonna go with this one because it's more golden than this one. So I just got a tiny bit on my finger. And I'm gonna put it okay, so I'm going in with a foundation. I'm just gonna do the Bourjois Healthy Mix Serum Foundation. Apply that on my face. I have almost all of my Christmas decorations done. Like all of my house decorated. The outside is decorated. So we're having like a ton, like our whole family on my husband's side visit us for Christmas for like 2 to 3 weeks. You guys want to see like a holiday decoration, like Christmas house tour type of video? Give me a like or comment below. Like, you gotta tell me, like, don't just give me a like, comment below and then like that comment for whoever wants to see something like that. All right, oh, I powdered my face. Oh my gosh, I didn't mean to do that. Sorry guys, I powdered my face. I was gonna try these contour sticks. So I got two, one in dark and one in medium, and I'm not sure which one's gonna work. Let's just try the medium first to see what it does for me. Oops. Definitely don't want to give myself like a crooked looking nose. I love this for the nose already. Like, look how precise I got that. That is amazing. Okay. Guess I'll use this Sigma F56. To kind of blend that out. These are creamy, but they're not like too creamy. Ooh, I like these. I actually really like this contour stick. These are nice. Guys, what the heck? Dollar Tree stepped up their game and LA Colors stepped up their game. I'm gonna get into my Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer to bronze really quickly. Alright, so let's finish the eyes really quickly. I think I'm going to get into the nudes palette once again and apply some color to the lower lashes. I think I'm going to do this color right here. I didn't use that up top. It's like a cooler, but I think that would look nice. And then I'm going to go in with this one, which is like a cooler, really smudging the outer part. On to lashes. So I got these lashes. They're the LA Color Dramatic Lash, and they're beautiful. And this is the, what type is this? Entice is what this one's called. Oh, I should have looked through there because they probably had different kinds. Okay, there we go. That's what the lashes look like, and I absolutely love this style. It's one of my favorites, and I think this is like a super wearable style. Anyways, so on to blush. I don't really have a blush here. I did get this, which is the LA Colors Loose Face Body Shimmer, but it's pink and purpley, so I don't think I'm going to try that today. But I did get another highlighter. This is the LA Colors. It just says highlight, add ultimate glow. This one's in Shine Bright. So I think I'm gonna use this one to highlight with. And for a blush, let me see here. I'll probably go into my little blush palette here. And maybe I'll just go into this pink color right here as a blush. Okay, so I'm going to get into this highlight, which is super thin and compact. I kind of really am digging that. Yeah, it doesn't feel like bad packaging. It just feels like they made it super thin and compact. Look at that. Good packaging. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh, this one looks absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to lightly go into this with my Luxie Tapered Highlighter F522. That's what it is. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is freaking gorgeous. Oh my gosh, yeah, I'm totally loving this. So far, everything I'm trying are hits, you guys. This is amazing. Okay, so I got 3 reds, and I'm thinking maybe this red, but I got 3 reds, and these are just the Wet n Wild Megalast lipsticks, and I'm guessing that the reason they're in there is for like packaging, because this one has Megalast on it, but these ones don't have Megalast on it, so I'm guessing like the packaging, they didn't do it correctly. But I have Spiked with Rum, which I might go into, Coraline, which is more like which would look really pretty, 2 karat gold. But let's try this Spiked Rum one first. Beautiful color. And I love these lipsticks, they're great. Okay, let's try this. Put a little bit of this this orange one in the middle. Ooh, I really, really, really love this. Oh my gosh. They feel soft, creamy like they usually do, so they're not like faulty by any means. This Dollar Tree try-on was a total hit. I absolutely love it. I love the look. I would totally go like out on like a date like this, or like a Christmas party, because I'm getting like Christmas vibes from it. So that's it, you guys. This is the finished look, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I love, love, love these contour sticks. I love everything. Everything turned out so good. The highlight, the contour sticks, the primer, the lashes, everything looked so good, and I can't believe everything was so affordable, you guys. Go to your Dollar Tree. Tell me what you guys find, what products you think are amazing. Let me know down below if you've tried any of these products. Also, let me know. I would love to know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.